This social story is titled Mealtime is Just Fine, and it's by Ashley Dory. Sid the kid is a great student. Sid loves to play at school, but Sid does not like eating at school. Sometimes during meals, Sid feels angry or upset. When Sid used to feel angry, he would throw food or hit friends and teachers. His friends and teachers would feel sad when he would throw food and hurt them. Now Sid knows what to do when he feels angry or upset. Sid can stomp his feet, Sid can squeeze his hands, Sid can take a break, or Sid can ask for a hug. These things help Sid to feel better again. Sid knows if he does not like a food or does not want to try it, he can say, "No, thank you," or sign it, and wait for a teacher to get him something else. Sid's friends and teachers are happy when Sid keeps his hands to himself and keeps his food on the table. Now Sid knows that meal times are just fine. The end.